Okay, this is the terminal boards. We're gonna look at the MS-DOS terminal board system. But first we have to have a terminal diagram. And let me close this. We'll zoom in another degree. Shows the control. We have controls left, control front, front left, front right. CPR throttles 5, 6, 6. Engine run 3 to 6, 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. And those are duplicated for front, right, and rear. Front, left, right, and rear. And then we'll go down a page. Diesel engine number 1, diesel engine number 2, front cab, engine start, engine stop, oil pressure, engine temperature, engine pressure, motor cutout, transitional traction motors 1 through 4. I do have traction motors 1 through 5 through 6 on an edited page. It's somewhere in these tabs, and then maybe I'll look at that in a minute after I'm done. Shows reverse terminal boards for reverse throttles 1 through 8 for front, rear, left, right, and rear control. Left control stand, engine temperature lights, ground light switch, ground right relay panel, rheostat. Engine temperature 1, 2, pressure in 1 and 2, fuel engine 1 and 2, oil pressure 1 and 2, battery voltmeter, oil gauge 1 and 2, pressure brake light, main air reservoir light, light gauge terminal board rear, pretty much the same except for it's single columned. Front cab motor cutout turnout, motor cutout 1 and 2, forward reverse, motor cutout traction motors 8, 1, 2, 4. Reverse control cabinet, terminal board, circuit board, front reserve, forward reverser light, and then it shows reverse control cabinet. So we have reverser resistors and reverser forward and reverse. Okay, Sanders terminal boards, front cab, rear terminal board. Starting shutdown, start switch forward reserve, throttle idle, FBC to FSMDV, idle throttle, idle forward, PCR idle, and PCO to ISO isolation. PCO diode wheel slip relay, FPC to resistor arms, PCO to ISO ground relay, fuel FPC and the ERC, and those are right control and rear and left control systems. Starting switch cabs, like cab terminal switch, terminal cowling lights, and last one is front cab throttle engine relay, and alright, let's look at the My Terminal DOS. We have the throttle run terminal. This one's pretty much it's on throttle terminal, shows the passes, and if it's operational, pretty much goes through the whole system. We have right, forward, reverse systems on, right throttle, reverser, and start switch, motor contraction, ATC, and this also shows a fault bin, pneumatic control switch carry current, and isolation carries current, then shutdown terminal pass 4, pass 2, pass 3, pass 4, right control shutdown terminals board 1 through 4, rear control stand, and we'll scroll down and see what's also in these mix. So basically it goes through passes from positive negative checks, and it shows the different, we looked at the petroleum, the MS-DOS terminal board. Let's see what we got in the AutoCAD. We have dynamic braking ABS motor cutout. Here's the motor cutout terminal board with numbers terminals A through 6. And then we have the diesel engine running with terminals traction motors 6. And then what else do we have? That concludes the MS-DOS terminal board system tape.